If you're a coffee lover, there's something uniquely satisfying about brewing your coffee at home, especially when you have the right equipment. This Dujust Gold French press coffee maker takes your coffee experience to a whole new level with its combination of luxury, design, and functionality. Whether you're an espresso aficionado or someone who enjoys a rich, smooth cup of French press coffee, this coffee maker offers something truly special. The first thing that stands out with the Dujust Gold French press is its striking luxury design. It's not just another coffee press, it's a statement piece for your kitchen. With its elegant gold finish, this French press transforms the art of coffee making into a visual experience. Whether you're brewing coffee for yourself or hosting guests, the sheer beauty of this press adds to the overall enjoyment. It's the perfect blend of style and function. Not just about looks, this French press also performs remarkably well. The 4-level filter system ensures that you enjoy a smooth, rich coffee without any of the grounds slipping through. This advanced filtration system consists of one spiral plate, 2 stainless steel mesh screens, and a cross plate, filtering out 99.99% of the coffee grounds. The result? A deliciously rich and smooth cup of coffee that keeps you craving for more. The Dujust French press is crafted with high-grade borosilicate glass, which is known for its resistance to extreme temperatures. This means you can brew both hot and cold coffee without worrying about the glass cracking. Whether you're craving a warm cup of coffee to start your day or a refreshing iced coffee on a hot summer afternoon, this French press has got you covered. One of the highlights of this French press is that it can withstand temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, making it hot and cold resistant as well as refrigerator safe. This level of durability sets the Dujust French press apart from many others on the market. Additionally, the food-grade stainless steel used in the construction is resistant to heat, wear, and tear, ensuring the press remains in top condition for years. This makes it easy to clean and sanitize, and you won't have to worry about bacteria buildup. Using the Dujust French press is a breeze, even for those new to the French press method. Simply add coarse ground coffee, pour in hot or cold water, stir, and let it sit for about 4 minutes. After that, press down the plunger slowly to brew a perfect cup of coffee. The 4-level filter system works efficiently to ensure your coffee is smooth and free of grounds. Cleaning this French press is also incredibly easy. Just unscrew the plunger base from the rod and you can easily separate the parts for cleaning. Whether you wash it by hand or toss it in the dishwasher, maintenance is a hassle-free process. This feature is especially handy for those who appreciate convenience. What's included in the set? The Dujust French press comes with a 34-ounce glass carafe, the perfect size for brewing multiple cups of coffee in one go. Additionally, the set includes a long stainless steel spoon made from 304 stainless steel, which is corrosion and oxidation resistant. This makes the spoon both functional and durable. For added convenience, the package also includes 2 extra stainless steel mesh screens, allowing you to add or replace them as needed. These additional screens further enhance the versatility of the French press, ensuring you get years of use. The set is lid-free and BPA-free, ensuring safety for you and your family. It's also environmentally friendly, as the package uses upgraded EPE foam, which is clean and eco-friendly. This well-thought-out packaging also makes the Dujust French press an excellent gift for friends and family who love coffee or tea. One of the standout features of purchasing the Dujust French press is the 90-day return policy and 2-year quality service that comes with it. This demonstrates the brand's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. In the event that any parts are missing or damaged during transportation, you can rest assured that the brand will replace them within 2 business days. Additionally, customers who return their French press within the 90-day period are eligible for a 10% refund, which is a testament to the confidence Dujust has in the quality of their product. Why you need the Dujust French press coffee maker? If you're looking for a luxury French press that combines beauty, durability, and top-tier functionality, the Dujust French press is an excellent choice. Its elegant gold design makes it a standout piece for any kitchen, while its 4-level filtration system ensures you get the best tasting coffee with every use. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or simply looking for a high-quality gift for a friend, this French press offers an incredible value for its price. With the Dujust French press, you're not just brewing coffee, you're crafting an experience. From the visually stunning design to the smooth, rich coffee it delivers, every detail is meticulously designed to enhance your coffee drinking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.